Hey, we're back here talking about an explosion of movement and the principle of design called movement in itself. The principle of design of movement is something that visually occurs. So, like if I take a look at this dude right here, he's just standing here right now. But if I turn him from the side, now we see angles and things that help to make him look like he is moving. So, we can change the way things look, the way they appear, by how we describe them with our visual language. So this is my sculpture right here. And I'm going to play around with this a little bit so I can get a better view. I'll play around. Sorry about dizziness. But when I look at this, and I can see that now as I turn it around, that I create some visual movement. See how it comes up and it follows? This is what we're looking for. So now as I do this, I should be able to see movement from every angle. So even here, I see it comes up and then it follows and it curves this way. So movement is the key that we're looking for. Notice I haven't glued most of these yet. They are still yet to be glued. It changes even when I look at it from the top view, and it gets a different view. Now, we're going to paint it with one color, a primary color. So use blue, red, or yellow, and you're going to have to put 2 coats on because the cardboard's strong. And we're going to do that on the facing of the cardboard that faces the same direction. So we got dark blue, we got blue, we got blue, we got blue. This will be blue, and this will be blue. That'll be blue. Ooh, now this will be the question on which one of these gets blue here. And then the other side, we're going to add white to the mixture, and we're going to make a light blue. And I'm going to paint the side. So all of these would get light blue on this side. And then I need to decide which one is, that type of thing. And then on the blue side, I am going to paint, and as you can see, I painted a 1-inch, and mine was rough because I was doing it as a demo, a 1-inch line of white paint that will follow the movement, and it should come out over here on this side. So it's on the same side. It'll be on the dark blue. And then I'm going to use my orange, and I painted my orange on my white while it was wet, but I should have a nice dark line of orange that goes through. And the reason orange is the complement. So when I look at the color wheel way over there, it's the color. So if blue is right there, then orange is opposite on the color wheel. If you choose to use red, then you would use green for your complement. If you used yellow, then purple is your complement. And so that's what we're going to do with this sculpture. You're going to glue it together. You don't want any glue to show through, so be careful how you glue it together. You're going to have to peel glue and make sure that no glue shows through. The other thing you want to make sure is that this balances and stays balanced. Part of the problem is my table is a little off balance. But this is my sculpture, and that's what we're going to be working for on an explosion of how to make movement. Now, remember, you're going to have to wash and clean your paintbrushes, and you're going to have to rub with the solution to clean them as we go about. So you guys have a great day.